drink inside.
want
Oh,
to
the
drink?
carpet is a carpet. Look at this, 100%.
Carpet
Just like what I said.
That's it. Interesting flavor. It's buttery.
It's very buttery.
Yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back to Binai channel. So today guys, it's very special because Binai got a very special present. Yay! We get something delivered directly from Japan, but not including Erica. So sorry. I don't know if any of you knows, but there is a Tokyo treat. Tokyo Treat sent us this very nice package, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do unboxing! Yay!
This is the first box
This
we
is
ever
the first
got.
box we ever got!
I'm super
Erica.
excited.
Yeah, Erica speaks Japanese. Maybe there's something that we don't know she can translate to us.
I will try.
Yes! Tokyo Treat is company in Tokyo that actually they're doing shipping worldwide for sending like a surprise package of like Japanese snacks.
Japanese snacks. Okay.
Snacks,
So
yeah.
not like cherry blossom. Something like this. Like, who knows?
Or like-
There is a taste of the cherry blossom.
Oh, maybe it is.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
okay.
do.
If you guys also like interested, like if you're curious what is the Tokyo Treat is, you can just click the link below. I'm gonna put the link below for you to click so then you can also doing the subscription or like you can read further information about the Tokyo Treat. Every monthly, you're gonna get a very interesting box sent to you, and then every month you can be like super excited because you're gonna get something new every time. Woo!
How many
Well, I'm
items
not-
in the box?
I don't know. That's a surprise.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out, Erica. Yay!
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it, guys. Okay, I need this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see, it's the Japanese style of packaging.
I don't think
I
so.
think it's just a regular packaging.
Okay, it's just me. I think it's just me. Okay, let's do it.
Sure, let's say Japanese style.
Ready, steady. Okay, let's open it.
Wow.
I
What
see this
is
one.
that?
Hello, Marble.
It looks so colorful.
Oh, it is! Oh, look at this, guys. Wow, there's a lot of stuff.
Do all like treats in Japan look like this? Like
Yeah,
so
exactly.
colorful and
Yeah,
everything?
it is.
Oh wow.
Like it's something I don't understand in Canada. Every package is like it doesn't show me what kind of snack is inside. Like
Oh,
I have
yeah.
to read. Like this
Oh,
is
yeah.
peanut butter. Okay.
Yeah.
So like in Japan, everything is on the package, so you can see. Oh, this one.
What I like about Japanese snacks, you guys, you always have this very colorful and very eye-catching. Oh my god, I want to get this on this
Yeah,
one and this
yeah.
one. It's like, oh.
Oh, and even there is a drink inside.
want
Oh,
to-
the carpet is a carpet. Look at this, 100%. Just like what I said.
And guys, it is the snack tasting Halloween. So this is special for Halloween because it's October.
That's where we get like pumpkins and all these kind of things.
Oh my god. So this is gonna
Also,
like
turn it around
turn
maybe
it
again.
around so you guys can have a look. That.
A box full of happiness.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy.
So, okay, which one we should try first, guys? Erika, you can choose. First pick. And this is your
No.
favorite.
This one. What is
Yay,
it?
What is this?
Tongaricon.
Tongaricon. Tongaricon.
Okay, pointed con.
Tongaricon.
But the meaning Tongaricon is
Tongaricon.
It's like
Okay.
yes.
Okay, let's try.
It's
Stick them in the
this.
finger,
Uh-huh.
and then you can eat like.
Oh.
No.
Okay, it's a sorry. Erika knows about it. We are so thankful that Erika is here to save us.
So have you ever had this like outside of Japan?
So the tongaricon, yes, I have eaten a lot, but like this one is a butter toast taste.
Oh, okay.
Huh. No.
I don't know about
Wow.
Oh,
See, that's so
you think.
special, guys. It's only sent from Japan. So
This
you
is you can use as a cap if there is a still inside the
Oh.
package.
Oh. So let's do it. Erika said, guys, you have to put in your 5 fingers.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
That's okay.
Yeah.
So we have to do 5, right?
I like this. La, la, la. That is so fun.
Oh yeah, it looks like
Oops, I broke it. Oops, not yet.
Oh no!
But
Oh no!
I,
So they're
my
just
fingers
tricky.
are
We
too
have
big.
fat finger, guys. Very fat.
Take a big one.
Easy.
Okay, let's do it
Okay,
again.
let's do it. Should we
So-
try? Tungadikorn!
Yes.
Interesting flavor. It's buttery.
It's very buttery.
Yeah.
It has a little bit like somewhere between chips and maybe popcorn. Butter
Yeah.
popcorn.
And
But
it's very
Oh my
buttery.
god, it's so
Yeah.
good.
But tastes like a popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
You
this is
didn't
so
really have
good.
it like a corn taste. It's very corn.
Yeah.
I love it.
Special.
I'm gonna eat my nails.
Oh my god, this is really good.
And it's very interesting. I never tried its kind of flavor before.
No?
No.
No?
Yeah, because it's like buttery.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum yum.
Oh, by the way, yummy in Japanese. Oishi.
Oishi.
Oishi. Okay. Okay, what's next?
What's next? What's next? Okay, Bessie, you can choose.
Okay. I mean, I have no idea what I'm choosing. But I will go with this.
Oh, it's my wok.
My wo.
My
Well,
what?
okay, I will tell you. I think we had my bowl too. Oh, here you go. This is my bowl. Bowl means stick.
Stick.
But this one,
Stick.
my wa means ring.
Oh, stick and ring.
Maybe I will choose this one.
It's a Doraemon.
It's with Doraemon, right?
It is.
The cat that has like the pocket, like the store.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Oh my god, I love Doraemon. Okay, I will choose this one. I will choose this
let's
one.
try.
Okay, let's open it.
Oh,
what is it?
It's like a momogi in Indonesia.
So just break it.
Yeah, just yeah.
Actually, there is a better way.
Okay.
Not sure it
Gonna
works
break
or not. Maybe not. Oh, maybe I'm not doing well.
It's okay.
That's too much. Oh my god, still.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
but it's
It works. Perfect. So,
No, that's perfect. See,
yeah.
like everyone can get something. I tried.
Alright, enjoy.
I'll go.
So this is the cheese taste.
It's
I
like
love it.
sweet but also cheesy. Cheesy? Cheesy.
Cheesy, yeah.
Okay, that's my choice.
Let's
I
do
want to
it.
explain the
this-
taste, but I need to Google it.
Oh my god, it's a
Season
crunchy and light.
casserole.
Oh, fishy.
So it's like an egg, but we make taste more spicy.
Let's open it.
Let's do it.
Let's see. Yeah, it smells like eggs. You said from eggs, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
smell like it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's spicy, right?
I haven't tried it. We try it together. Let's try.
Alright. Enjoy.
No, I love it.
Mm.
Oh my god.
It has this fish taste.
It's pretty good. Oh, that one. Yeah, it looks like this.
Mm.
Oh, actually,
It
this
tastes
is
like
pretty
fish,
good.
actually.
It
Yeah, it's
is,
really good.
right?
Oh
I
my
love
God.
it. Well,
Very nice.
oh my god. I love it.
But is it with fish? Or like
Like a
shrimp
fish egg.
also?
Fish egg.
Fish egg.
Egg.
That's
That's it,
exactly
yeah.
a fish egg.
I wanna
This
see.
is senbei, the rice cake.
Rice cake?
Rice cake, yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, one is what?
I think gam.
Gum.
Chewing
come on,
gum.
okay.
Which one do you recommend to try?
The Pocky and
Okay.
then Kit Kat.
Oh,
I think.
definitely.
And then-
And then probably this one you're gonna love it.
She wants everything tried.
No, this
this
one
is
to
like,
make
you
your
can make
own.
it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
do it yourself.
This is do it yourself.
Yeah, so probably
Okay.
that's what you want to
Cool.
try.
What is this one? I want to know what this one is.
Kit Kat.
Cat.
Kit Kat, but it's a special. It's an apple cinnamon,
cinnamon.
It's very fall season.
and it's also with like Halloween theme.
Open
Look at
it.
this. Looks so cool.
I'm so excited. Open it.
Okay, let's do it.
Open
Oh my
it
God,
to
I'm
that side.
so excited about this. I think I need to maybe 2 subscriptions to get one every other week.
Yes, I know.
Every other week.
Every
Oh my
other
god.
So apple cinnamon, right?
All right, let's
Yep.
try it.
That smells already like appley and cinnamony.
Smell like an apple pie.
Yeah. Let's try it.
I'm eating.
Good. Interesting. Yeah,
Oh, this is
I feel
really
the
good.
cinnamon, yeah.
Yeah,
I like it.
I think this is perfect for like coffee or
Yeah.
tea.
Yeah.
No.
And it just really brings the season with you. Because like you eat apples and cinnamon more like it when it's fall season. So you know it's like the end of summer. Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. I really have to say, like, I'm super impressed by this so far. Everything that we tried is really, really, really good. Okay, let her choose. Okay, Erica.
Okay, I choose the Pocky and strawberry, but it's too bit strawberry.
It's the
Dry strawberry inside of the
Oh,
Pocky,
the
like
crumbles.
like
not
a
only
flash,
chocolate.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Open,
let's do
open.
it.
Yup. Oh, there's two. Oh, I see.
So anyway.
Here you go. Oh, actually, they were open. I could open like this.
So it's right.
Thank you,
That's right. Thank you, much.
Really good as well.
Really good.
So strawberry.
Very strawberry.
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 So good. This is that one.
Oh, okay. we got it. We got it.
I love it. I love this
So
one.
Awesome.
You guys still can find a Pocky in Canada, right? But not this one.
No, we only have like the basic
Matcha.
flavor. Yeah.
Matcha choco.
Vodka and choco. And yeah, I think it's not, this one is I never see. And the stick also like, I think it's like a chocolate stick, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
Well, that's it guys, we are so overexcited. The best thing about these treats is, I know you can see it's authentic from Japan.
Yes.
So it's produced in Japan and then it's sent to your place. So if you are like, oh my god, what is this? You don't know, no worry, because they always send you with these things. And these things is explain everything inside.
Really?
So if you want to
Oh.
guess, you can play guess, and then here actually when you flip it,
Oh, every snack is, or every treat
every
is like
snack is explained.
explain what it is.
So yeah, it's in English, yes.
Do you
Yeah.
have more language?
Maybe they have another language depending on the country where you order it,
Maybe.
right? Maybe, I don't know, but this one is English.
Yeah, English is good.
Awesome! So that's it! We're so excited! Yay! So guys, Tokyo Treat Box is a yeah or the nay?
It's absolutely yes.
Yay! We love
So
it! Oh
if
my
you want to
God.
try something like this yourself, like we said before, there is a link in the description that you can click. You can sign up there, get one of those awesome boxes sent to your own home
Monthly.
on a monthly basis, and try those awesome snacks for yourself. I
Yes.
can't wait to
That
get the
sounds
next one,
good.
honestly.
You can keep it for yourself, or you can send it to your friends, or you can give it as a surprise for like your family member.
That's really
You
good
can
idea.
do a lot of stuff with that, and then I think people are gonna really appreciate it.
Also, I feel especially, now with COVID, we weren't able to travel a
Yeah.
lot. So if you want
Yes.
to, instead of you going to another country, make that country come to your
Oh
To your
to your
house.
own house, right? And then
we
try
say
something.
Tokyo Treat, make Japan comes to your home.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. This is so awesome. And then again, we want to thank Tokyo Treat for sending us this. This is so cool. Even Erica,
That was so good.
she was super excited to try everything. So, well, see you next time. And thank you for watching. And take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, stay safe. Bye bye.